So I was holding my hand up before, but now I've got a pointer here, so we can actually look at the slopes that these patterns make. And you can see those red dots. If I put the pointer through all the top red dots, I've got a perfect straight line there. And it's very steep, like we talked about. I imagined that it was a hill that you're falling down. This would be a really steep hill. And if I put my pointer through the center of these red dots at the top of this pattern, I've also got a perfectly straight line. Look at that, it's just beautiful. But the slope is not quite as steep. Maybe I can move it from one to the other. You can see here it's like this. There's the hill that we're falling down. But this one is much steeper. You wouldn't want to have to climb back up that with your toboggan. But in my work, I said I'd do some models of bacteria and viruses. And bacteria, let me show you how bacteria grow. Bacteria start out small, like this, and then this guy grows, he eats food, gets bigger and bigger until he's long, like that. And then when he's long enough, actually I should call her she splits into two and makes two baby bacteria. And then each of these would eat some food and get bigger, and then they would split into two. So I want to try building the pattern that bacteria would make when they grow. So I'm going to start with one, and then imagine that that one grew up to be very big, and then split into two. So I've got two in the next generation. Now each of these guys are going to grow and then split.